watching Entertainment Live as well as ABP Live. आपके साथ मैं हूँ वंशिका शर्मा और मेरे साथ है the ever charming, ever graceful, the one who does her killer moves and everyone is like, oh my God, how did you do that? निधि कैसे हो?
हाय आई एम सो एक्साइटेड, बहुत बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ मैं। सुबह सुबह इतनी एनर्जी सुन के आपसे सुपर एक्साइटेड, वेरी एक्साइटेड टू टॉक टू यू एंड या
अच्छा अभी तो you are currently the talk of the town because of your appearance at the international
या
level. कांस में जाना
या
हर किसी का सपना होता है। आई एम श्योर एक
या
टाइम पर आपका भी होगा। अब जब ये सपना
या
पूरा हो गया है, डज इट फील
हाँ,
रियल? अभी भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार सपना तो नहीं था। कैन आई पिंच माई
ऑनेस्ट
सेल्फ?
ऑनेस्टली ऑनेस्टली बट आई थिंक जब मुझे पहली बार बताया गया था कि पहले पिच करते हैं
या
and then there is a round of selections and it's an honor to be selected firstly. तो जब मुझे पता चला कि what, you are in the squad as a partner creator and you're going, honestly yes, it was, oh my god, what an opportunity, I'm blessed. But I think एक चीज जो मैंने पहले भी बोली थी कि it was unbelievable for me, because for me it was like it's believable because I worked towards it. So it wasn't like, oh my god, ki, I didn't think I deserved it and I got it. Nothing like that. I think I've worked for 10 years straight. और जब मुझे opportunity आई, I was like, you know what, this is my due. So it wasn't unbelievable for me. It was very much believable because I have worked so hard for this. So I think the excitement was there, something very different. And ये मेरा 10वां साल है of my career. So I
हम्म
think it just fit perfectly. It was meant to be.
डेकेड कंप्लीट होने से पहले पहले एक बड़ा सा
Yes.
गिफ्ट दे दिया लाइफ ने आपको।
Correct. Exactly. Exactly.
ठीक है, अगर हम आउटफिट इंस्पो की बात करें, बिकॉज वी
Correct.
मतलब आपका जो आउटफिट है इट ऑटोमेटिकली डिस्क्राइब्स व्हाई इट
Yeah.
वाज चूजन। ठीक है, बिकॉज
Yes.
माधुरी दीक्षित इज समवन जिसको हम हमेशा याद करते हैं व्हेन इट कम्स टू डांस
Correct.
मूव्स, एंड इट मैचेस योर
Correct.
पर्सनालिटी टू, योर
Yeah.
फोर्टे टू। तो वही एक
Yeah.
रीजन था टू चूज द ग्लिट्स एंड ग्लैम।
I think my outfit इतना ज़्यादा meaning hold करता है. I think every single thing that I went there to represent on the red carpet, everything was in one outfit. Not just obviously the tribute to our iconic Madhuri ma'am, but there were so many things जो हमने सिर्फ एक ही outfit से achieve किए, and that's why I think that we've killed it on the red carpet. So number one, I think
डेफिनेटली।
obviously we were India partner creators, so we were going there to represent our country, India. So hence the Indo-Western sari. That's where the custom Rachit Khanna, he came in and he absolutely killed it. And then जब मुझे again पता चला कि मैं जाने वाली हूँ and I'll be the first official dance creator to walk the red carpet and to be invited, I knew that it has to be something as a tribute to Madhuri ma'am, because I think growing up in the Indian Bollywood, for me, all Madhuri ma'am, even in the UAE where I was born and raised, where I'm from, Madhuri ma'am, everywhere. So I knew that it was supposed to be Madhuri ma'am, and then I sat down and I thought about it. Her most iconic outfits. And then I was like, एक दो तीन सबसे पहले आया, पर हम एक दो तीन को कैसे बनाएंगे into a gown or something. So that's, I just gave off my ideas to my stylist and my team. I wanted it to be एक दो तीन, धक धक, and दीदी तेरा देवर के colors mixed.
यस।
And then the third thing, my brand NKD, which is what I went there to represent, उसके brand colors हैं pink and purple. तो वो दीदी तेरा देवर, धक धक, everything mixed to एक दो तीन, representing everything, and to end it all, the घुंघरूज, tribute to my dance community that I went there to represent. So it was a insane outfit to pull off, but I think we killed it and we represented everything that we wanted to represent with that one outfit.
ठीक है, और उसके बाद मतलब आई थिंक कि आपकी ये जो 10 साल की जर्नी रही है,
Yeah,
इट वुड नॉट हैव बीन लेस देन ऑल द अप्स एंड डाउन्स। ठीक है,
yeah,
कंप्लीट
honestly.
एक बोट है जो कि सेल कर रही है विद ऑल द हर्डल्स एंड एवरीथिंग।
Trust me. Yeah.
ठीक है, अब
Yeah.
जाकर कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा सेटिस्फाइड फील हो रहा है कि ओ माय
Yeah.
गॉड, यस आई हैव अचीव्ड
Agreed.
समथिंग कुछ लाइफ में।
Agreed. Agreed. I think मेरा फंडा हमेशा ये रहा है कि every year it's something that I do on socials. It's something called NKD One Level Up. तो हर साल how I want to level up my career in terms of my businesses, because also I'm an entrepreneur, so in terms of my
Yeah.
businesses and social media, how do I one level up? तो ये मेरा 10वां साल है, and on socials I'm celebrating it the entire year. जून से मेरी सारी celebration शुरू हो रही हैं, parties, UK tour, US tour. So when this happened at the start of the year, like I said earlier, it was meant to be. It was my due coming in, that you start, like it was literally God telling me that this is your start of the year. This is how you make a bang. And I think the biggest thing is कि इसने मुझे बहुत motivate कर दिया कि next year, how do I make it even bigger? So AVP, I hope everyone's listening. Something bigger will probably come next year.
Definitely, we are so much looking forward to the next big
Thank
thing
you.
which is coming the way.
Thank,
यार
thank you.
इसी के साथ ना मैं रियलिटी शोज की अगर बात करूं तो ऐसा हो नहीं सकता, मतलब मैं ना करूं टेम्पटेशन आइलैंड की बात, बिकॉज आई
Oh
myself
God.
followed that show so
Did
badly.
you?
यस, यस, मतलब मुझे ऐसा था कि यार इंडिया में ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट आ रहा है, इट इज लाइक हेल ऑफ अ थिंग फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, कि मतलब
Yeah,
कैसे होने वाला है, हाउ विल इंडियन कपल्स रिलेट टू इट, यार एक शो
correct.
में चले गए हैं एंड देन यू आर जस्ट पोल्स अपार्ट, मतलब क्या हो रहा है कुछ
Correct.
समझ नहीं आ रहा, व्हाई
Uh,
दे वर इन द शो, लगा था कि इतनी
correct.
जल्दी शो से बाहर आएंगे और शादी कर लेंगे.
I this show was a roller coaster, let me tell you. I think हम दो साल थे एक साथ, and then the show opportunity came in, and मेरा फंडा था since I started my career. I was very particular that I will never do a reality show, not because of anything, but because it's just not my thing. It was never my thing. And then when that offer came to us, Mohak was the one who really wanted to do it. And he was like, let's do it. Let's have some fun. My family, his family, it's going to be a blast. Just go. And I was like, okay, you know what? Whatever, let's go. But it was a crazy experience. It taught us a lot about us. And I think lucky bolo ya kya bolo, ki the end result was that only Mohak and I came out together.
The only
And
one.
literally, and there were no, and in this game show, in this reality show, कोई winners नहीं हो थे. There are no winner concept. It was कि कितने couples बाहर आएंगे together और कितने breakup हो जाएगा. But to our luck, obviously, only we came out together. So in India, all over the world, obviously, everyone has watched the show. It was in ratings, it was the highest that time.
Yes.
So everywhere we went, on all news, on all platforms, everywhere was like, Nidhi and Mohak won the show. Nidhi and Mohak won the show. Which technically now, if you see, yeah, probably we won the show because there was no one else. But there were no winners. And I think, see, उस शो में जाने से पहले ही हमें पता था that we will end up together. We were a very strong couple, but it also taught us a lot. So I think फिर 2 साल बाद हमने शादी कर ली. 1 साल बाद proposal, 2 साल बाद शादी, and अभी बच्चे, no, टेम्पटेशन बच्चे.
फ्लो बहुत तगड़ा था वैसे, कोई भी मान लेता है इसको, अगर आप हंसते नहीं ना, ये फ्लो कोई भी मान सकता था कि हाँ
मान
ठीक है,
लेता.
2 साल
अरे
बाद,
मैं बहुत
1
अच्छी
साल बाद.
एक्ट्रेस हूँ एक्चुअली. आई थिंक
हाँ,
मेरा नेक्स्ट होना चाहिए कोई एक्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट. आई एम वेरी गुड एक्टर, बट आई हैड टू मेक अ जोक यार. आई हैड टू लाफ, वरना लोग सीरियस ले लेते.
हाँ, नहीं, मैनिफेस्ट करते रहो, आई एम श्योर कि
ऑफ
एक्टिंग में भी
कोर्स,
कुछ ना कुछ बहुत ही जल्दी
ऑफ
आएगा.
कोर्स,
यार
ऑफ
इसी के
कोर्स.
साथ ना, आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क के जब शादी की, ऑफ कोर्स वहां पर मोनी एंड करण वर द पीपल जो आप लोगों को बता रहे थे,
यस,
समझा रहे थे, सो उनका क्या
या.
रिएक्शन था व्हेन यू गाइस मस्ट हैव अनाउंस के यार अब शादी कर रहे हैं.
Can I tell you something? They both, out of everyone, the sweetest people. I think Mohak and I have never spoken about Temptation Island after we got out. Never. क्योंकि हमारा we come from a very different school of thought. We come from a very different place. तो हमने कभी भी बात नहीं की शो के बारे में, ना ही किसी पॉडकास्ट पे, nothing. We just moved on with our life and we, worked. And but every time we were asked, we would say that we don't want to talk about it because it's over, it's done. And we're happy that we came out together, of course. But we spoke about Karan and Moni. The reason being, guys, they are just such sweethearts. When we got married, both of them texted us in like, congratulations, we're so happy for you. When we got proposed, they texted, just unreal people. I think when we met, 45 days ke baad on our finale, Moni was bawling, she was crying. It was beautiful. And Karan, literally like an elder brother, what a dude. And I think, honestly, can I tell you, what a host. I think absolutely killed it. Both of them, we love them so much, honestly.
Even I love how Moni carries herself because जब मैंने interview भी
I
किया
know.
था, I think it is around like 3 years back,
Yeah.
and I totally loved her
Oh,
personality. वो जिस हिसाब से
yeah.
अपने आप को carry करती है, that
Honestly, I
itself
think
is
Moni
like
was
amazing.
she was just so real. Let me tell you. जो जब कट भी होता था, अगर हमें पानी या मेकअप या कुछ हमें टचअप्स करने थे, उनको टचअप्स करने थे. So she was nothing different cut में and normal even on the show. So when she wanted to cry, जब उनका आंसू आए थे तो she was crying. When it didn't, it didn't. She was, and even off camera when she was telling us, guys, we're just gonna play a game, we're gonna have some fun. She was just chilling. She would enter the show and nothing different for Karan and Moni. Both of them were exactly the same off camera, on camera. Honestly, this is like a gup that I can give you.
Hmm.
Just love them, love them.
निधि, ये तो सारी मतलब रियलिटी शो की बात हो गई, आपके कांस के बारे में
हाँ,
हमने बात कर ली,
हाँ,
बट व्हाट ट्रूली इज योर आइडेंटिटी इज एनकेडी
yes, yeah,
डांस.
yeah,
बहुत ही ज्यादा बहुत ही रेपिटेटिव क्वेश्चन होगा ये, बट आई कांट
correct,
स्टॉप आस्किंग दैट कि ये
yeah,
जर्नी कब स्टार्ट हुई, बिकॉज डांस इज समथिंग यू
yeah,
ब्रीथ.
yeah, literally. So 10 years ago, exactly 10 years ago, 2016, August 6th, I uploaded my first ever post on Instagram and my first ever YouTube video, which is Kala Chashma. And मैंने Facebook पे एक बस रैंडम सा डाला था
नहीं नहीं,
एक
द चाइल्डहुड
स्टेटस
व्हेन यू
में.
स्टार्टेड और यू थॉट कि यार
अच्छा.
मुझे डांस से आप प्यार हो गया
ओ,
है.
since I was 3, I've been dancing since I was 3 years old. And मेरे पेरेंट्स हमेशा, मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, मेरे पेरेंट्स जब से मैं पैदा हुई थी, लिटरली सिंस आई वाज यंग, फैमिली पार्टीज में टिल नाउ दे मेक दिस जोक टू एवरीबॉडी कि निधि नाचते नाचते पैदा हुई थी. Apparently, when I had come out, I was also dancing, I was moving, I was a very happy baby. I was like, Mom, Dad, what are you saying? I was not meant to do anything else but this. जब बचपन में बच्चे पूछते हैं कि है आपको क्या बनना है, आपको they'll be like doctor, engineer, and then as you grow older it changes. For me it's never changed. For me it's always wanted to be an actor, dancer, model, to be in the arts, and it has never changed, and here I am.
ठीक है यार, अगर हम कांस की बात कर रहे हैं ना, सो आई
हाँ,
थिंक इस साल ही हमने ये बहुत ज्यादा
yeah,
देखा, वाइल पीपल वर एंटरिंग, उसी के साथ रूल्स बहुत ज्यादा वायरल हो रहे थे. ठीक है, यू कांट
correct.
सिट विद योर स्पाउस, देयर इज अ स्ट्रिक्ट
Oh,
डाइट थिंग कि आपको खाना
okay.
कुछ स्पेसिफाइड ही खाना होता है, नो अनियन गार्लिक अलाउड, ऐसा कुछ था. मतलब यू आर द फर्स्ट
Oh
पर्सन आई एम
God,
टॉकिंग.
who
मतलब अगर
can?
कान या
Oh, नहीं यार, ऐसा तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. I just want to break this myth.
हम्म
There were no rules. There were only some decency rules for the carpet, which I think is very, very normal for such a prestigious carpet. For example, जो rules थे, for example, your trail outfit के लॉन्ग नहीं हो सकते. तो मेरा ट्रेल बहुत ही ज्यादा लंबा था मेरे पल्लू का. सो इफ यू विल नोटिस, इसलिए मैंने रैप किया था ऑन द हैंड. वेरी वेरी नॉर्मल रूल्स, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था.
यू कांट यूज
Second,
योर फोन.
no, no, nothing like that. Nothing.
ओके.
On the red carpet. So nudity not allowed.
हम्म
Phones on the red carpet not allowed. And I think that's very normal because आप इतने
हम्म
prestigious जगह पे हो. And हमारे पीछे जब मैं इंटरव्यू दे रही थी तो Simone Ashley from Bridgerton, she was
yeah.
standing there to be able to walk. तो अभी it's very common sense when you come in. Obviously, don't use your phones. Red carpet, it's not allowed.
हम्म,
But inside the theater, it's totally okay. But I would also please say, please don't use your phone because it's very disrespectful. But nothing like
definitely.
that. We took our phones inside. मेरे घुंघरू
हम्म
बैग में मेरे phones थे. मोहक का phone था. When we entered the theater, it was what an experience. और फिर movie के बाद 10 minute for the movie that we went to, standing ovation दिए थे पूरी team को for 10 minutes, and that feeling I recorded it. Obviously, please don't record during the movie and just be respectful.
हम्म.
पर ये सब तो शैम है. खाना ये वो बिल्कुल है. ऐसे कोई भी rules नहीं है. It's very normal. It's very chill.
हम्म. अच्छा, रूल्स के बारे में बात करते करते ना आपने एक
हाँ.
वर्ड जरूर यूज किया, इट इज डिसरिस्पेक्टफul फॉर द अदर
Yeah.
पर्सन जो इतनी मेहनत करके वहां पर
Yeah.
आया है, और उसका दो
Correct.
मिनट में मजाक बना देना, आई थिंक
Correct.
इज
Yeah,
बियॉन्ड द लिमिट्स, ठीक है, जो इस
I
साल
know,
भी
I
हुआ
know.
और हर साल होता है,
हर
कोई भी
साल होता है,
सेलिब्रिटी
हर
आता है, स्पेशली विद द इंडियन सेलिब्रिटीज, पीपल फील लाइक दैट
yeah,
बाहर के लोग उन्हें नहीं जानते हैं, एंड इट इज नॉट
exactly,
ट्रू बिकॉज वी नो द ओजी
exactly.
क्वीन ऑफ रेड कार्पेट इज ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन एंड शी स्टेज
Literally,
एवरी टाइम.
literally. It is, it's very sad, let me tell you. I think it's very sad because we also spoke about this. So many of the other creators also spoke about this, jab hum wahan the. Because when we walked, Indian creators, especially the women creators, because I know all women creators that went there. I don't know them personally, many of them. But when we were walking on the streets and when we were, I can say from my experience, my first day, which was my Shakira look, inspired by Shakira, walking the streets for our shoots, we were trying to find locations. हर एक इंसान ने हमें रुका के, on all French Western people, what an outfit, you look like a goddess, oh my god, we love you, they took photos. जब मैं अपने रेड कार्पेट लुक पे पहन के आई and we were, you know, finding locations to shoot, you guys look beautiful, what a couple. And you see that and then you see what happens on social media, right? From the people that should be like, wow, they've gone in and they've represented, but I think बहुत misinformation भी है. Obviously there's a lot of hate for creators and but for me none of that matters. I work in a very different way. I cut out the noise. I have never, also because I've been doing this for 10 years, social media तो अभी boom हुआ है 4-5 साल पहले, मुझे 10 साल हो गए हैं. My dad has taught me कि सिर्फ अपने गोल पे ध्यान रखो and just keep working towards. I don't ever bother about what other people have to say or the chatter. To be picked for Cannes, which is a beautiful film festival, and me being a film fanatic, my audience knows हर हफ्ते मैं theatre में होती हूँ. For me to be there amongst creators where there are fashion, beauty, lifestyle, for a dance creator to even be part of the conversation.
Yeah.
कि एक डांस क्रिएटर जा रहा है amongst beauty, fashion, lifestyle for the past 3-4 years. I think it's huge. And who cares what other people say? I went to Cannes and I saw Demi Moore next to me and Simone Ashley and we're chilling and we're having a blast and we're working so hard. Every creator there, guys, y'all don't know what goes on there. सुबह से लेके रात तक हम काम करते हैं to represent our country, to represent the creators. And I think it's a beautiful thing, honestly. I don't care what other people have to say.
ठीक है, तो ये क्वेश्चन बनता ही नहीं है कि निधि कैसे ट्रोलर्स को या हेटर्स
Oh,
को
no
डील करती है.
way.
इट्स जस्ट
Abib, I'm the wrong person. I am totally the wrong person. Nothing affects me. For me, like I said, 10 years. So जब इनको बोलते हैं कीबोर्ड वॉरियर्स, जब ये तो अभी शुरू हुए हैं 4-5 साल पहले, ये मैं जब वो पैदा भी नहीं हुए होंगे ना, मैं तब से कर रही हूँ सोशल मीडिया. It's been 10 years. Nothing for me matters because I know honest hard work will always get you to wherever. And when you do something this big, people are bound to talk. And I always say, I went to Cannes for what? So that people talk about me. And they are. Every publicity is great publicity.
Yes.
99% people are like, oh my God, your looks are so great. 1% are like, obviously, hate this, that. Why will I not look at the 99%, but I'm not going to focus on the 1%? There's no way. So, not at all.
यहाँ पर आपके और मेरे थॉट्स मिलते हैं बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो बिलीव
Yeah.
दैट एवरी सॉर्ट ऑफ पब्लिसिटी इज अ गुड पब्लिसिटी. आप अच्छा बोलोगे बुरा
Always.
बोलोगे, एटलीस्ट वी आर इन द टॉप्स.
Exactly. Exactly. Exactly.
ठीक है निधि, तो अभी आगे क्या आने वाला है अपार्ट फ्रॉम टूर्स और द बिग बिग सरप्राइज?
Oh, okay. So the first time I'm going to be talking about it, but the brand NKD. So we have our main this year is we're going to be opening up branches across the UAE, and then by next year we really want to expand to India. So NKD is coming to India very soon, and that is the plan that we've been working towards for the past 2 years now. And it will happen this year on my 10th anniversary. So I'm super excited because I feel like content creation alone, even for all the new young content creators listening, it cannot be as sustainable in the future because kabhi jaise TikTok band ho gaya randomly in India. So I think so many people's livelihoods got affected. So I would always say ki have a brick and mortar business, have a business, expand into different businesses. So I think my brand NKD, we're expanding into more studios and we're launching a product very soon, which will be very, very exciting for the people coming. So stay tuned.
ठीक है निधि, it was lovely talking to you. I hope you enjoy your vacation currently.
Yes.
ठीक है,
Oh
आपने
God.
टाइम निकाला. It was so
We
lovely.
need it. Honestly, you are a ball of energy. Thank you so much for having me. I loved speaking to you. The energy that you're giving me, oh my God, you're amazing, amazing, amazing. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nidhi.
Thank you so much
Hope
for
to
having
see
me.
you
Thank you.
soon in Delhi or Mumbai very soon, very soon.
Yes, see you this year. Perfect.
Yeah,
Thank you
done.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Take it. Bye. Bye. Bye.